I'm an ecohydrologist, and what ecohydrologists do is study interactions between ecosystems and the water cycle. The research that I do really focused on how humans affect water resources and how those water resources in turn affect things like the economy, agricultural production, and those other types of activities. Really helps us kind of understand how the world of physical science and how the world of society can kind of come together. Another project that we're working on really actively right now tries to use satellite data to understand how people are kind of deploying water conservation actions in western Kansas. So one of the major processes by which humans affect the water cycle is through irrigation. And when people are irrigating, they're changing the amount of water that's kind of moving from the plants up into the atmosphere. And so we're working with satellite data developed by NASA and other collaborating organizations in order to basically track kind of where on the landscape is water kind of being managed differently, and how do those different management practices ultimately affect the amount of water that's being used and the response of the groundwater system. Here at the Kansas Geological Survey, we've got a really important role in kind of forming the scientific backbone for state agencies, for legislators, for members of the public or other organizations to make the decisions that they feel are in the best interest of the state. I'm Sam Zipper, I'm an ecohydrologist, and I'm striving to help sustain Kansas's water resources.